Hey guys, welcome back to Automotive. Today we're going to be talking about this garden hose foam blaster low pressure gun. Now this product right here is a great product, creating a thick, rich foam, cutting your wash time in half and maximizing coverage of your vehicle. And you want to first make sure that you're connecting the garden hose directly to the hose, and it's going to make it very easy because this does come with a universal washer that does screw directly into any garden hose. Set that aside. We're going to actually load up the 32-ounce bottle with our Sudsy soaps. And this bottle right here does have a soap line, and it does have a soap and water mix line as well, making it even easier for you guys to dilute any products that you're looking to apply on your vehicle. Now you want to make sure that you guys have that dilution ratio exactly where you want it, and you make sure that everything is connected. Make sure that the foam blaster is connected to that nozzle, and then you want to connect the actual foam blaster directly to the garden hose. It's actually going to come along with a quick connect coupler. It's going to make it way easier to connect to any hose that you guys have at home. You want to go in and you want to actually spray this directly onto your vehicle. It's going to help you loosen dirt and grime, preventing scratches and swirl marks on your vehicle. And it's going to be a perfect product to use without the need of a pressure washer. This product right here does have 6 soap and water dilution ratios, and they're going to be marked as A, B, C, D, E, and 0. It's going to give you 6 different variations. Now, this product here is available at PAL Automotive in store or at palautomotive.com. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.